In this section, we want to talk some more about the formatting features of Excel. We want to talk about some of those tools on the toolbar that we haven't yet focused on. We also want to talk about how to move and copy cells, and also how to insert and delete rows and columns. As we look at our worksheet, we could say that the way we see it is the way we want it to appear when we print it out. We also have the ability, and sometimes we want to do this for emphasis or for just general appearance, to change the actual font. Suppose, for example, if we were to highlight these cells in column A. The standard font in Excel is called Arial, and we see it here in this portion of the formatting toolbar. If we click on the down arrow to the right of it, we see many, many choices. Now, what we see on the screen here and what you see in your installation may vary, but you're likely to see 20, 40, 60 of these, depending upon how Excel has been installed. There are many, many different choices. And a common one, and you can slide down here with this bar, is Times New Roman. We frequently see that with text. And if we click on that, you'll notice the difference in the text. It does appear slightly smaller, although we haven't really changed it. But if you notice the appearance, the letters all have little caps and feet on them. That's the characteristic of that font. If you prefer that look, you could use that on these cells or perhaps even all the cells in the workbook. The point is that at different times you may want to change the actual font being used. You could also have these cells be selected and change the size of the font. It's to the right here. It's currently 10, which is standard in Excel. If you were to make these 12, they will be larger. And no doubt you will want to make the column wider by simply double-clicking here on this boundary, which is actually, think of it as the right-hand side of column A. Double-click. So changing font type and size is easily done off the formatting toolbar. Now, we may want to have a title at the top of this worksheet. The problem, however, is the fact that row 1 is already occupied.